could there be new music brewing? Naledi Aphiwe was in studio and ex-Z Nxumalo walked in and gifted her some cookies. But we believe that there must be new music brewing between these two, honey. They are so talented, both of them. They have great voices. They both have worked hard. They have similar stories, by the way, and similar voices. And imagine Naledi Aphiwe and Unumalo in studio, like in one song. I am sure that would be a hit without even thinking twice. I mean, it would be so amazing to see her working with Naledi Aphiwe, because also I was wondering, you know, how they became friends, because Naledi Aphiwe has been supporting Uzi X Nxumalo. Like, she really has been supporting her, complimenting her. They once went to a gig where they wore a similar clothes, like similar trousers, before the Kaizer Chiefs games. And I believe that they met through writing music, and we just cannot wait as her fans to hear that music, man. You know, the beginning of the year for artists, it's a very big deal. The beginning of the year and the end of the year is such a big deal, because of the beginning of the year can maybe determine how your year is going to go when it comes to music. People are able to jam to that music for a long time, but you know, artists these days don't create music that lasts forever. They create music for trends. So it's very competitive, because people are still into Lekompo and Amapiano, and you really have to compete with that. But we all have different taste in music, and I cannot wait what these two create in the studio. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.